All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. So we'll go through the onboarding here, but first, what is iFocus Labs? What do we do? So we help digital entrepreneurs scale their business with online communities. And I'll walk you through the software and I'll show you how. So for our onboarding, let's pull up the software for us. Just a quick overview before we dive into each part. So like we said, we'll get access to communities. None set up yet, obviously, but we'll walk through that in a minute. Courses. Products. Offers. Marketing. Automation. Connect your socials and schedule your content. Schedule your emails. Automation. Let it work for you in the background. Set up unlimited workflows. Set by triggers. We can configure them as we go. Just giving a quick overview here. Websites. Unlimited funnels. Unlimited websites. If you would click for me here. Yeah. Funnels. Websites. Blogs. Forms. Surveys. Chat widget for your website or funnels. Media storage. So now you can keep all of your photos, documents all in one place and shoot them out directly to your customers. We don't got to do that now. All right. And then obviously you can go through, set everything up, hook up a phone number and do text messages. Text messages have like a 98% open rate as opposed to maybe 30 if you're lucky on email. So this is just a test account here, but you can get the overall idea. So then we'll go through how to sign up. And oh, by the way, I'm giving you all of this for $1 a month. $1 a month. Like, I don't know if I'm fucking crazy or what. I don't know how long I can do it, so jump in while you can. But this is what I wish I had when I started. Being a digital entrepreneur, it's a catch-22. You want to make money online, but you don't have any fucking money. And then you can't afford any of the software. So I'm giving this all to you for $1 per month. Oh yeah, and by the way, I'll pull this up in a second. You also get access to the community. We'll talk about strategies, help each other out, and see how we can build our businesses through online communities. You can set up your community. You can do a free community. You can do a paid community. You can make money before you ever have to upgrade to a higher tier. If honestly, if at all, some smaller businesses, if you're just doing a little offer or you're doing a high ticket offer for only a couple of people, you may not even ever have to upgrade. But aside from that, yeah, the dollar for $1, you get all the software. If you want to use the messaging, the standard messaging rates apply. I'll leave a link or an image of what they actually are. It's pennies, but I'm just passing it along to you. But guess what? If you can't afford it yet or you don't want to use it yet, don't use it until you start making money. Like, it's not a big deal. All right, so just a quick overview. Here, I'll show you if you're not in this already. It's extremely simple. Please don't mind the fucking absolutely crude funnel, but we'll just go to start.ifocuslabs.com. Start now for $1. You see everything you get. You get up to 500 contacts, one user, and unlimited use of the software. Just went over, put everything in, and it'll take you to the upgrade page. Pardon me. If you want to jump right into the iFocus Accelerator, obviously don't have to until you're ready. We'll grow together, and then it'll give you instant access to your account as well as the community. So that should be it. From here, we will walk through the rest of the onboarding. See you in the next video.